Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to read the tape rule, beginner friendly. So if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. I promise you, you will learn this easily and it will stick with you. Let's go. So firstly, get your tape rule. This is the right side. This is what you use. This is, you won't use here, this is an 8 centimeter. So this is the inches side you're going to use. So we don't use this place. Most people do, but for we don't really use it that much. So the best side for you to use is this inches. So for you to understand this very well, this is how you're going to do it. Get your tape rule and practice with me. This is 1/8. That is 1/4. That is 3/8. That is half inch. That is 5/8. That is 3/4. That is 7/8. And that is 1 inch. Practice this thing very well for you to understand it. So if you want to know how to use it for other numbers in the tape rule, this is what you're going to do. So the same thing applies when you want to start counting from 1 inch. So it's the same thing. You're only changing the numbers as you progress. You're not changing the main figures. That is from this one. So it starts with, this is 1/1/8. Sorry, let me get this. This is 1/1/8. This is 1/1/4. This is 1/3/8. This is 1.5 inches. This is 1/5/8. This is 1/3/4. This is 1/7/8. And from here, this is 2 inches. 2 inches. So for the second one, go with me. Say it with me. This is 2/1/8. This is 2/1/4. This is 2/3/8. This is 2.5 inches. This is 2/5/8. This is 2/3/4. This is 2/7/8. This is 3 inches. So that's how the progression keeps on going till you get to 60. So even when you get to 59, and by now I believe you should have had the idea. But if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe. So this is 59/1/8, 59/1/4, 59/3/8, 59.5 inches, 59/5/8, 59/3/4, 59/7/8, 60 inches. So that is how you do. So today I want you to write all this in a piece of paper or in a book. If you want to take fashion designing seriously, write it in a book and start your practicals today. So you're going to start from all the way from 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, half inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch. Then you start with 1 inches, 1/1/8, 1/1/4, 1/3/8, 1.5 inches, 1/5/8, 1/3/4, 1/7/8, 2 inches, 2/1/8, 2/1/4, 2/3/8, 2.5 inch, 2/5/8, 2/3/4, 2/7/8, 3 inches. So repeat that process, keep on repeating it until it sticks into your head and you truly and fully understand how to read your tape rule correctly in inches. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe so you don't miss incoming updates, because the more videos I upload, the more advanced I take my tailoring classes too. So see you in the next video. Thank you.